Hello, it's me Alexis from PersiaLou.com, and today I am going to be showing you some project ideas to make with the July 2021 Expressions Vinyl Mystery Box. This guy right here. In this video, we're going to be making some little tumblers. And we're going to be making some adhesive vinyl decals to put on them. One of the vinyls included in the July box is this vinyl right here. It looks kind of unexciting when you're seeing it here. It just looks like a piece of glossy white vinyl. But this vinyl, it's much more than it seems. This is the color changing blue. When it gets cold, like when you fill your tumbler up with your favorite iced beverage, the white turns to blue. So we're gonna play around with that and use it with two different designs on these cups. This cup is also color changing. It goes to like a darker pink when it gets cold. So we're gonna do two different designs using this color change vinyl with some of the other vinyls in the box. We're gonna also use the pink opal. We'll also be using the seafoam green glitter, the cherry blossom pink, and then the retro rainbow. So for this piece, because it doesn't have a repeating pattern, like on this end you're gonna have a curved part of the design, on this you have straight, you can kind of position your cut files on this pattern vinyl to give you different looks depending on the design you're using. So for the design I'm using right now for this project, I wanted the horizontal straight side. So I made sure to position my cut file on my mat so that it would cut in this area of the vinyl. So I've already cut out all of the pieces of the designs that we're going to be putting on here. So we just need to weed them, kind of stack them all together to get the multicolored designs, and then apply them onto our tumblers. So I have all of the pieces of my layered design weeded and cut out, and now we are going to layer them all onto the transfer tape. So the mystery box comes with 2 sheets of gridded paper transfer tape, and I'm just going to cut a piece. For my Life's a Beach design, the order isn't super important except for that the color changing one needs to go last because that's going to be the bottom of the design. I'm just going to use my hook to lift up the edge of the transfer tape, and I like to just fold back the backing a little bit like that. I'm gonna use my scraper tool to smooth down bubbles. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the same thing where I just fold back the top. So now my little squares at the top that I'm gonna use to line up are the part that I'm gonna be matching up to the next sheet. And next I'm going to add my little tree. All right, and then the last step is going to be to position those 3 layers on top of my color changing layer. All right, so we have our decals all layered up on the transfer paper, ready to go on the tumbler. I've got a towel here, and I like to have something like this to hold a round thing so it doesn't roll around your table. I'm going to start with the middle and then press out from there. And that will help you to avoid bubbles as you're curling it out. I really kind of love the touch of glitter there from the vinyl on the tree. And you can see on this clear background that the color changing blue, it looks white on the paper, but it's really almost kind of transparent light blue. And we'll see what these look like with cold in them. So for this one, I got my pink cup here. I basically just put a piece of washi tape down the middle of the design. And then I'm going to position that on my cup here, and just use that to kind of hold it in place. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to peel up one side, and then I'm just gonna take my scissors and just cut off the backing. And now, going again from the middle out, I'm just going to press the design down onto the cup. Now, hopefully it's going to be straight, right? Because we started from a straight place. So I can just kind of peel it back the other way, take off the rest of the backing, and then again, I'm just going to press it, going slowly, rub it down all the way around, and then just peel off the transfer tape. I love that right now you don't even really see the color changing vinyl behind there at all. But when you fill this up, it's gonna be a nice surprise. All right, let's try filling this up with some ice water. See what happens. Look at that. Amazing. Oh, I love that. Here they are in all of their color changing glory. I will say that this tumbler here is insulated, and because of that, because the vinyl's not directly touching the ice water, it didn't color change as quickly and easily as this one. In fact, I put it in the freezer a little bit, which is maybe kind of cheating. So I would maybe not use the color changing vinyl on an insulated tumbler because I don't think it will work as well. Okay, so, ooh, spilling ice water on myself. Woo! Thanks so much for hanging out and crafting with me. I hope you enjoyed checking out the color changing vinyl and seeing some possibilities for how you can use it. Until next time, happy summer, happy making. I'll see you later. Bye.